Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on ACER Iconia Tab P11. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and then click install. Now you can click open. Then click agree and continue. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And here you can select your theme, and then you can click save and continue. And now you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.